Jerry. I built a tiny house. It's octagonal and it's cut into two sections. So this is roughly what it looks like. It will be going to a new place, and my placemaking site will be all about stewarding land that it's currently on and stewarding the land that it's going to be on in this big moving fiasco thing. So, yeah, come and hang out. Hey, I'm Jerry. I have built this tiny house, this tiny octagon. So it's an octagon. And for VBC, I'm going to be moving it to a place where I will be allowed to live there and place it. So I don't know where the place is quite yet, but the design that I'm choosing for the village building convergence is to do a cob oven, and I just got to get over there. And I have my car died, so I had this little city repair symbol on my hood, and I took the hood off, and it is going to be the roof to a pizza oven, which is going to be a fish. It's going to be a pizza fish oven, and it's kind of like a rocket stove heated bench thing, so whenever you're making pizza in the oven, it'll be a warm seat. So that's the concept and the design.